What's up, YouTube? Got some new stuff in for my M1000R. Let's check it out and see what we got. Mirrors here. These kind of resemble mirrors that fold up like this. They sit here like that and they go up like this. So be able to see a little bit more, a little bit better. So that is right there. So it goes up like that. So we'll replace those. Comes like a little screw kit. I got them from AliExpress. Only like $15, so we'll try them out for 15 bucks versus paying $600 or $700 for the Rizoma ones. So we'll see. We'll see how these turn out. We'll see how these turn out. Here, goes to the side. Of course, got a Sprint air filter. Just realized I never put one on a BMW. Pretty simple. Put that on. Here's the part number for it if you want to order for yourself. And then here's the part number for the mirrors. Forgot to show you guys that. You guys can see that. We got this right here. It's to hold on to the brake reservoir. This on the bike. This is from Rizoma. There's the part number for it right here, if you need that. So then we got an oil filler cap in red, and then there's the engine timing cap in blue. Got some carbon fiber pieces that I ordered. This right here is the taller windscreen for the bike, so that'll work out better as in carbon. Put that to the side. Comes with this back piece to hold it on. This is also in carbon. So this is pretty much plug and play. Just unscrew it and screw it back in. This is a wind diffuser, I guess you can call it. I'll unpack this and show you guys what it is, but this is pretty much what it is. It goes underneath the headlight. I'll show you guys the installation on that. So that's pretty much it. Get to installing all this stuff. Let's go over to the bike. Let's get this stuff installed. Alright guys, I'm going to start with the mirrors. Already got that one on. It's pretty much self-explanatory, that's why I didn't really show it on camera. But this one, I gotta take this piece I kind of like rigged together. So I need to actually put that Rizoma piece on to hold this reservoir. These are what, T30? Take this off, and I need to remove this too. It's probably T25. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this right here off of there. And then we're gonna put on the Rizoma piece. Okay, guys, you see we got the Rizoma piece on. The screw right here is longer, so it'll enable me to use this because I need it taller. Like this one is taller, so I can reach my hands on the handlebars. So we got that. It's here like this. This just sits here like that, and actually like this. So I'm gonna hand tighten it in just so I can keep it from falling out, and that way I can still adjust the brake reservoir holder. You see, there's like a little clear piece right there, a little lip right there, and it goes inside that, so I'm hand tighten that in here. Alright, so I'm gonna get this together and I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Alright guys, I don't know what happened to my camera, but I'm in the middle of putting this Sprint filter in. I got the stock one removed. So I'm gonna replace it with this. Let's see how we got this here. Alright, so this goes like that. Like this. Alright, so we got that in. So I'm gonna slide the ECU back over. Alright, so we got that piece in. Now we got that in. So now I can slide the ECU back over. Plug this wire in. Alright, so now I can screw that back in. And put my side panels and stuff back on, the seat back on, and then we'll go on to that carbon fiber piece. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with taking this piece off. I unboxed this piece, but this looks like crap. Good thing it was only 20 bucks. But I mean, I could put it on there, but it just looks terrible. I could wrap it. I have wrapped this material here. You'll see through the, once you wrap it, it'll be visible. It almost seems like it's like a film on it, over top of it that I might need to take off. So I'll look into that, but as it stands right now, I'm probably not gonna put this on my bike because it looks like crap. So we'll just go on to putting this on. This top piece up here. So all right, let's do that. These are B25 screws right here. Guys, so I got this in there. So now I gotta transfer these washers from this stock piece to the aftermarket. Alright guys, so we got this on. So what it's looking like. It's looking pretty good. You can see the carbon fiber back here too. The piece that holds it on. And here's what the mirrors look like. Got everything in here now. Fold it like that. So, like I said, I'm not putting this on my bike. This right here. It's supposed to sit here like that. So it looks good, but just the piece is, I'm not liking that right there. Yeah, I don't know what that is about, but it looks like I could probably like get that residue off with some glue gun or something like that, but it's not worth it. I'll just buy the buy another one. This is only 20 bucks, so. Alright, so let's take this thing for a ride, and I'll show you everything that I put on here outside. I have all my oil filler cap. So I'm gonna take the stock one off, get a little oil around it, so that's on there. Hand tighten it. What is this? A T40. So it's a T40. Click for good measure. Alright, it's on there. I'm thinking about replacing this with blue, but the red one, I don't know. And I don't think I can use this on the other side. I think it's too small. I'll try to see if I can use it on the other side. I'll just put it on the other side where it's mostly blue at anyway. Yeah, so that's on there. And then we're going to test and see if this will fit on the other side of the bike. Alright, so the stock one is a T55. Rub whatever residues on there. Oh yeah, it'll fit. Okay, so hand tighten it in there. So this kind of serves a dual purpose as a kind of like a protector too. So if you go down, if I was going on this side, it would actually protect that, and also looks good. So, all right, so it's tight. All right, it's on there. All right, so that works. I'll take this thing on the way. What's up, YouTube? Testing out these mirrors, this windscreen, and seeing if I see any difference with the new air filter. Well, so far the mirrors provide sight, but as you see, they keep folding down because of the wind. So what I need to do is when I get back to my house, because I don't think I brought an Allen, brought something to tighten it up with on me. So I need to tighten that little screw in there because it's like loose. This thing still moves, man. So smooth too. See, I need to hold it up. So pretty much useless right now. Fold down. So the windscreen though, I do feel like the wind not pressing my chest as much as it used to. That kind of blows in the wind too though, so I need to tighten out as well. So it's been a long time since I was able to ride. I've been so busy doing stuff around the house and then work and everything like that. So the bike has been good. I got his first service over the winter, so not first service. I got his annual service over the winter. I kind of hear like a louder induction noise whenever I shift. He can hear sucking more air in. It's a really nice day too. So yeah, the windscreen was like, what did I pay for this thing? Like 180 bucks, full carbon fiber. And then the mirrors were on like some sale. I see why now. They were $15, so you can't beat that. So can't complain too much. Like when they're up, I could see just fine. It's just that whenever I take off, they just fold right back down. God. Oh boy, I missed this bike. Alright guys, so we're out here, there's a lot of gravel on this road out here, so we're out here testing out these mirrors. Finally, as you see, got them to work, they're staying up. So now falling down is accelerate, so now they work good. And I can see behind me, as you guys can see. And the windscreen is hanging on, the carbon fiber windscreen. Bouncing a bit down, the suspension, I don't like that. The road is like, just like barely any imperfections in the road, is like bouncing. So you can see behind you, there's a car on me. This one over here on the right needs to be adjusted in more so I can see a little bit like directly behind me, but I can see still. Bouncing. The suspension is horrible on this bike. I'm about to put, probably needs the air in the tires too though. It's a relatively smooth road, I shouldn't be bouncing a bit down like that. Here's the mirrors outside. Like I said, they fold down, up. And there's the windscreen and person outside. Just not need, but I want to change out this inner part, the carbon, all down here, and get that wheel, the one with the air intakes, the air ducts, the brake cooling ducts, I should say, for the front fender, and then the brake disc thing. The bike's been running good, man. So I can't believe it's been 2 years since I had this thing. It's going so fast. And once it's get more carbon pieces, I'll be done. I might change these out the carbon also. I've seen those for a good price, and then change those out. And that interfering piece, that cheap plastic. I might do a clear clutch cover, or I might just get a carbon fiber cover and call it a day. It'll be done. And then once I replace all that, and then the fender down there, I'm about to get stickers for this part, because it's not going to have it on there because it's going to be carbon. Or I might leave it. I might not like the sticker. I might like it without the stickers on it. But yeah, so that's all I got planned for this thing so far. And I may switch out the slip-on to a different slip-on, just to see if I can get a different sound. There's several of them out there I can switch it to. That's the good thing about having the front thing here. So you can switch it out easily, as long as it fits the stock diameter of this. You can switch this out. That's that. The carbon was looking good. Like I said, I might need some air in these tires because the suspension is feeling weird. But alright, so that's all I got for you guys. The windscreen's on good. The only thing, it does wobble a little bit, so I might need to get like a better support. It is screwed in tight, but it kind of shakes a little bit. But I don't know, we'll see. I'll see if I can tighten it up a little bit better and make it look better. But here's the mirrors once again. Here's down in stealth mode, like that. So, and they don't shake actually. So I'm actually very happy with these mirrors. I only paid $15 for them. I think the name brand, the Rizoma ones, are like $600 or $700, which is insane. Which I would never pay $700 for mirrors. That's a helmet, that's a slip-on, that's the other stuff you could pay for versus just for mirrors. For all that, you might as well keep the stock ones on. But yeah, so I found these for $25 off AliExpress, I think it was. They were on like some special because they were new. But yeah, so that's that. That's all I got for you guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.